Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and I welcome you to 21-day vocabulary challenge where you will master more than 300 French words in just 21 days. By the end of this challenge, you will know the most frequently used words in French. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in every video, I'm going to teach you approximately 10 to 15 new French words. And at the end of the video, we are going to revise all of them together. Make sure you watch and follow the series in order because the difficulty level will increase according to the days. I would also like to tell you that this video is just a small portion of our learning program. So if you are looking for complete French learning program, you can visit our website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com and you will find the link in the description box below. So let's just start with the video, and this video is day 5. Let's start. Le mois. Le mois. Mois. The pronunciation of OI is always oua. Oua. So le mois, which means the month. That's masculine. Le mois. Make sure you have to repeat after me. Le mois, the month. L'année. L'année. The year. L'année. Les mois de l'année. Les mois de l'année, which means the months of the year. Les mois de l'année. Repeat after me and follow my lip movement. Les mois de l'année, which means the months of the year. Les mois de l'année. Now, let's say if you want to say there are 12 months in a year. So you remember in the previous video in day 4, we did, how do you say there is or there are? And I taught you that was il y a. Il y a. So that's actually the combination of 3 words, il, I, and a. But together it means there is or there are. Il y a 12 mois, months, dans une année. There are 12 months in a year. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Répétez, répétez. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. On continue. Janvier. 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 We do not pronounce the last R. Janvier. Janvier, of course, January. Janvier. Février. 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 February. If you want to master the pronunciation of French R, I'm dropping the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Février. Mars. Mars. March. Mars. Avril. Avril. April. Avril. Mai. May. The pronunciation is just like English. May. And the meaning is May. Juin. 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 That's June. Juillet. That's not Juliet. No.
juillet, juillet, July, juillet. Whenever I-double-L comes together, you do not pronounce double L. Juillet. Août, août, août. August, août. Septembre, septembre, septembre. September. Octobre, octobre, octobre. October. Novembre, 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 novembre. November. Décembre, 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 December. And let's just revise whatever we have started in this video. Le mois. Le mois. That means the month. Le mois. L'année. L'année. The year. Les mois de l'année. Les mois de l'année. The months of the year. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. There are 12 months in a year. Janvier, janvier. Février, février. Mars, mars. Avril, avril. Mai, mai. Juin, juin. Juillet, juillet. Août, août. Septembre, septembre. Octobre, octobre. Novembre, novembre. Et finalement, décembre, décembre. That's it for day 5 video, and make sure before day 6 video is released, you have learned and revised whatever I've taught from day 1 to day 5. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for daily updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.